Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. As you can see, I took a small win today, $300, and I'll walk you guys through what trade I took. Today it is Tuesday. There was news at 8:30, so I'll just first go through coming in today what my idea was. So coming into the day, we had been accumulating a lot, and we were stuck in this range, so I was basically looking for a sweep of liquidity and then to take a trade in the opposite way, but it didn't really happen like that, since we came down and swept this Asia low, or not swept, we took this Asia low and also all this other liquidity resting below, and we did not go up and sweep we did not sweep. We had London and Asia high right here, and also we had dead high right here, so we did not go up and sweep these highs, so which is why I didn't take this first short at open. So when we go down, I'm firstly looking for longs after this sweep. However, when I see that we just straight dump and we don't really have anything saving us right here, it's just a bunch of candles, no fair value gap or anything. My drawn liquidity was this 4-hour fair value gap, which had this resting liquidity within it, so I want to see that get hit, which is why I took this short. So we come down, we make this strong close in the 5 minute, and we make all these fair value gaps. So what I want to see, you could have taken this long right here, but there wasn't too there wasn't too clear of a level in the graph for me to take this long, since I want to see this liquidity get taken. So rather just waited for the short. NQ was a lot weaker, a weaker asset, so I want to short Nasdaq. So ES comes up and sweep this high, so when ES sweeps, I'm just basically waiting for the confirmation to enter. We come into the 5 minute fair value gap, bearish, and also tap into the golden zone of retracement for continuation lower, and we make this big move down, which made assist and the fair value, inverse fair value gap, which is what I took my entry on. So this was a A+ setup. We had SMT, we had CIST, was with the higher time frame narrative, and there was a clear drawn liquidity. The only problem right here with this trade is that we're in a deep discount, and you don't really want to take shorts in discount, but I did, since the drawn liquidity was very clear. So the only bad thing right here is the entry. I should have gotten an entry like right here on the close, but I waited a little bit to maybe get a because I want to see maybe a small retrace to the enter like right here, but it didn't happen, so I just entered once I saw that we didn't want to go up. And yeah, I did some wrong here, since I see we made this bullish SMT since NQ swept here and ES didn't. So here I'm in quite some profit, and don't really want to lose all the profits, and if we're gonna turn over, it's basically right here, since like in the perfect scenario, would have wanted my entry right there to be able to have my TP right there, since I just want to target the nearest low, but that wasn't possible here with this bad entry. So I went BE. Once we took this low, I went BE, and then we make this high, then we make this move down, and here I take off 3 of the 7 contracts to secure some profits, which isn't really the right move to make. It's the same mistake I made yesterday, and I trade my SL to this high once we make this big move down, which that I am happy about. I did. It was a great move in my opinion, but the partial wasn't the best, so I need to stop taking partials. I'm just sticking to my full TP. Otherwise this was a great trade. There was another opportunity like right here. We made that SMT since ES swept, and we also ES made equal highs right here while NQ swept. So you could have gotten the entry. We make the cyst at this candle, and let's see if the we get the 3-minute inversion right here as well. So basically like this. So then you can target right here to get a 1 to 2 hour. So this would have been a perfect short to take. But I'm not mad I took this one. I didn't take a loss, so that I'm happy about. A small win instead. Full TP would have been like $700 something. But yeah, as long as it's not a losing day, it's good. I'm having quite good consistency on this account right now. And as you can see, I'm up almost 2k on the account, and I'm hoping to pass this week, and I'm on track to passing it as long as I stick to my rules and take good trades. So when FOMC tomorrow, I don't really know. I think I'm gonna look for something at the open. If it's just very choppy, I'm gonna wait to FOMC and maybe see if I can take a trade during FOMC. So yeah, that was a trade recap for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.